Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see information disclosure vulnerability. An information disclosure vulnerability happens when a system or app accidentally reveals secret data to people who should not see it. This leaked data can include technical details like software versions, hidden file paths, or private user details like passwords and API keys. We are going to demonstrate this vulnerability from TryHackMe Lab. Link given in description. This is the target URL. Our goal is to find the flag by dumping the exposed source code. This is how website looks like. We found the booking endpoint but nothing interested. Next, we will start to find the hidden endpoints by derb tool. With command derb followed by target URL. Now, we can see. We found the .git directory which is exposed. We can dump the .git directory with tool called git dumper. With command git dumper followed by target URL with directory name. It will dump all directory present in .git, but we dumped only head directory. Now, we will read the files by cat command. In app.js file we found the API endpoint. In index.html file, nothing interested. Next one, readme.md file. In this file, we found the flag. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe the channel for more.